Where is it? Oh. Hey guys. Today I am going to be making a slime. Here it is. And today, yeah, I'm going to be making slime. So for this, you're going to need glue, liquid starch, and perfume. So you want to squeeze your glue and something to mix with. Again, I use a bottom of a water bottle. So you want to rinse out your thing with the water. If you don't do that, that's why it won't form. Use the bottom of the water bottle. Make sure you rinse it out with the water and leave some in. So. Let's take something, a stole SpongeBob spatula. You want to mix that, just the glue up. And this is consistency, like really, oh, that was cool. Okay, add some food coloring. So this is basically food coloring, glitter, and water. So yeah, food coloring, glue, and water. I said glue and water. Then don't add this yet. You want to get, could not see this, but I'm going to add food. Oh. You want to scratch it out. How much you want? I want a lot. Well, a little bit and a lot, because I'm going to add some after. So there you go. Mix that all up. You'll see it start turning like a slime. Like kinda. And you want to add your liquid starch. I have it in this because I do my DIYs. And wait a little bit. So don't mix, just wait. Add more. So you can just like squish it around a little bit. But I put the foam in first because so it won't come out. But you guys can put it in last if you guys want. But it will mostly come out. You guys can make food coloring is optional if you guys want. But I didn't want to have food coloring because I already had food coloring inside of water with the glitter, and that's that. So yeah. And you want to add more filling before you start mixing more. Perfect. And mix. So you want to let it sit so it can grab up all the extra slime. It's really squishy. And you want to knead it. Kneading it is the worst part. This guy is like grilling and it's like 70. And next door neighbor is knocking on their door. It's like not even, it's like 55 degrees outside and he's grilling. Like seriously? It's cold as heck in. See, it's turning on stuff. So then you want to knead it, which I've been doing. And this is like non-sticky, like serious. It will start being sticky at first when you start kneading it. This is like seriously non-sticky. This is like really stretchy and breakable, really breakable, and it comes back in one piece. So yeah, like something is like really ringing my ears. So I'm just going to scrape some out and then like a lot out. So like, subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you guys want me to do next, and soon I'll be testing. I'm going to test something out and then I'm going to make a video about it so you guys can know what I'm doing. So I put a lot out. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna wrap this up with this and knead it. I like foam. Ever since I like found it, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do a foam video. And like the microbead foam was the first video I did with the microbeads. And yeah, ever since I've been loving it, and then start doing all my slimes with it. I at least got like 6 slimes with this in it, and yeah, comment down below what you guys want me to do next, and yeah, I will try my best to make it happen. So see you guys, bye.